So hello everyone, welcome to TryWrite. This is pack 365, myself Sujit. So today we are going to learn the two remaining built-in methods that are available in our dictionary, and then we are going to see some copy operation, because copy operation also that will be helpful whenever we are going to see some built-in method. Okay, so the remaining two built-in method are, one will be value, because in the previous session we are already complete the 80-90% of our built-in method. Okay, because in the previous session also you can see, if you want to only see all the remaining key, means whatever the key that are present in our dictionary, then you can use your keys. Okay, now if you are going to see only the values, then you can use this values method. So this method is used to print all the value from a dictionary. Okay, then it returns every value only. It returns all the value. Okay, and the syntax of one will be variable name dot values. Okay, you don't need to pass any argument. You can directly run that code and it will be displaying you. So I need to uncomment it. Okay, so I just want to print all the values that are available in this dictionary. So for this, my syntax will be variable name dot values. After I hit click on that, it will give me the all the value that are present in this dictionary. Guys, just see, it also return all the value in the form of our list. Okay, list inside all the element. Okay guys, so this is the method that will be helpful to return all the value. Okay, then if there will be a scenario, I want all the key value only, means key also and value also. At that time, we are going to use the method called items. Okay, by the help of, if you are using this item method, it will be give both key value pair from a dictionary. Okay, so this method is used to print all the key value pair from an dictionary. Okay, and each key value pair is stored in the form of our tuple. Okay, so the return type of items is tuple, means inside the tuple each and every key value pair will be added. Okay, and the return type will be key value only. Okay, and for the syntax for this one will be variable name dot items. Okay, you don't need to pass any argument. Okay guys, so this is our use case of our item. So now we are going to see through an example. Okay, now in that case, if I'm using my print of my dictionary of item, now if I'm going to run this one, it will be give me all the output in our iterable tuple. Inside the tuple, all the value are present. Just see guys, inside the tuple only it will be giving me all the value. So this is all about our built-in method that are available in our dictionary. Okay, so then we are going to see a new concept that is called your copy operation. Means if you want to copy from one list to another list, we can do in a three ways. Okay, so I can say that copy operation. Okay, so the copy operation. So copy operation will be done by three ways. The first one will be direct copy method. Then second one will be shallow copy. Okay, in the interview, these two questions must. Okay, what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? Okay, maximum time if you are going to face any Python full stack developer interviewer, each and every time they will be asked this question: what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? So in this session, we are going to complete all the things. Okay, then what is copy? So this is can be done by using assignment operator double equal to, because we need to copy something from a one list to another list. So I need to write here only. So this can be done by operator. Okay, operator equal to means if you are using this equal to operator, then it will be copy from one list to another list. If we try to modify any variable of the other variable, then it's only affected in both hand side. If you are copying from A to B, then if you are going to updating in your B list, then your A list also affecting. Okay, if you try to modify, then the main list also getting affected. Okay, then guys, how to do that we are going to see now. Then I am give you some basic explanation how they can ask the different question. Guys, if I am taking a list called 11, 22, 33, 44, then 420. Now I want to copy that, so I'll take div my variable. Okay, I am using the assignment operator double equal to. Now I want to check the both hand side the memory location. They will be creating in a same memory or will be created in a different memory. Now if I'm going to run this one, so they are going to create in a same memory location because their value are same. That's why if you see they are creating in a same memory location. Guys, if you don't want to check the ID, then you can check your each, because we are already complete the identity operator. Now if I'm going to check do is L, then if you see that particular thing, this will be give me the output is true. Okay guys, now I need to modify something in my duplicate value. Okay, so I'll to modify in my zeroth case, I want to add uh, 10, okay, in place of 11. So I need to print my dope. Sorry, I need to print my dope, and also I need to print my original list also. At that time, what is my output guy just see? Means if I'm going to change from one, they will be going to affecting in the copy list also. Guys, just see they are changing that particular thing. If you see also, if we are going to check the memory location of both the list, in that case, they have in the same memory location. So this is all about our copy method that are available in our Python. Then the next one will be shallow copy. Okay, what is shallow copy? Then if you see what is shallow copy, okay, the shallow copy is nothing but it is also to copy all the element from one list to another list. But to achieve this shallow copy, we have three options. Either you can use this copy, okay, means this copy method, or we can use the slice method, or you can use the copy model. Okay, so we are going to see in one way so we can get that clear method. So if I'm taking, so I'm going to give you that example only so that you can get that clear picture on that. So now I just take that particular thing, but here I am using the copy method. Okay, copy is a built-in method only. Now if I'm going to check this both, means the duplicate, whatever the storing into that particular, they are created in the same memory or not. If you see, they will be giving me false because they were creating in a different memory location. The first difference between the copy and this shallow copy. Then the next one will be if I'm going to change in my a one copy list, if I'm changing 11 to 10. Now if I'm going to run this one, so only one element will get affecting or two element. Guys, if you see, it will be only one element affecting, because you can predict that, because if you see here, both the memory location shall be different. That's why if you are going to change only one element, then how both are going to change? Okay, so both are not going to change. So we can say that this is the difference between this shallow copy and our copy method. Okay, now if you want to check this shallow copy by the help of our this particular slicing. Okay, now if you see, if I'm taking this slicing, because if I'm going to give this slicing means I need to copy from one to another. Now if I'm going to give that particular thing, so why it will be creating, okay, so I need to pass that particular variable name. Okay, now if I'm going to run this one, it will also give me the same output only, because the shallow copy will be done by the copy method as well as the slicing method also, or we can say that slice also. Guys, just see, I am taking this slice means I am just copy entire thing into my div variable. Now if I am going to change in my div, then it will be not getting affecting in my main list. That will be telling by the shallow copy. Then the last one copy will be deep copy. So guys, what is deep copy? I want to tell you. So deep copy. So deep copy will be done in our nested list. Done in nested list. Okay. Then both variable and element will have different memory location. Means if you are going to check also here also, they are creating in a different memory location only. Now we are going to check. So I'll create a list called here, because it will be taking the nested list, that's why. So inside that I am going to create another list called 3, 6 and 1. Now if I'm going to copy, so to achieve this deep copy you need to import a module. So to achieve that, import a module called your copy module, because in this copy we need to import that. After that we are going to use. So first we need to write that particular import copy. So import copy. Now I need to store here, means I will created a variable called DUP. Now here I am using that copy, because if you are going to use any module you need to use that particular module name. In your upcoming session we are going to see what is the difference between module, package and library. Don't worry guys. Okay, so as of now I just want to use the deep copy. Okay, so here I need to pass the variable name of that particular thing. So to achieve this deep copy, this is the syntax for this one. Okay, now if I'm going to print that particular do is L or not, means I need to check the both hand side value, then it will be telling me that they are in the false, because they are not in the same memory location. Now if I'm going to change something, okay, so I'll changing in the L of 0, because this is the list and this is my L of 0, because indexing starting from 0. Inside that I need to change a one element. Okay, so I'll change my 0th index position. In the 0th index position I need to change to 33 to 60. Okay, so now I just want to print my DUP and I want to print my original list. But guys, if you see, I am updating in my original list. Okay, now if I'm going to run this one, it will be only affecting in my original list. So if they will be asked the difference, then you can keep that they all are used for the to copy from one list to another list. But in case of your deep copy you need to use your nested copy, but in case of your shallow copy you don't need to use the nested copy. Okay, then you can see that how if you are modified, then one will be affecting or one will be not affecting. Like this way you can explain you the interpreter. So that's all for this session. Means we are complete all the built-in method that are available in our Python. Still, if you have any doubts in any concept, okay, you can directly contact to TryRide. So thanks for watching TryRide.